Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tea. Caught up in my tea. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Makeup by Kenzie. I'm so excited to show you guys this Dutch double braid hair tutorial. I will be going in depth on how to get the double braids. I do have long, thick hair, so probably won't be looking exactly like this, but you guys can try your best. You guys can always hashtag too. I'm on Instagram as Makeup by Kenzie. I can like your videos too. I will put in the description bar down below the products I used and these fun little clear rubber bands that I used also. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment down below anything you would like, hairstyle, makeup style. If you guys want to see this look, post it also down below and link this fun summer makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and take out my hair to get it ready to do the double braids. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this double-sided comb. It has a pointy side and a comb on the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and split my hair down the middle. After splitting my hair in two, I go ahead and grab one side and pin it up. That way I don't get any hair mixed up while I'm doing one side and it stays separate. This next step is just my personal preference. I like to braid with damp hair, so I take this old hairspray bottle and I put water in it, and I go ahead and spray that all through my hair and brush it out. So first thing we're going to do is grab a section of the hair where you want to start your Dutch braid. And we're going to go ahead and split that into 3 different sections. Once we have our 3 sections, we're going to go ahead and start the braiding. This time we cross under the other pieces of hair, and as we do that, we grab sections of our hair and join it with that piece. This is going to create the Dutch effect, or the outie braid as some people call it, instead of a French braid, which is shown to be going inwards instead of outwards. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. Once I'm done with that braid, I go ahead and spray the water bottle once again throughout the braid, just so it stays nice and tight. And then I go ahead and grab these clear plastic rubber bands, which I will link down below, and tie off the end of the braid. Just like money. really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Here is the final look.